Teaching Practice Workshop Unite 4. Connected Speech Elision Class Plan Topic Elision Level A1. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to recognize and use the elision in the pronunciation of the words and sentences. The first activity for the class is: a student must do the pronunciation of the following words: can, student, eat, dance, tired, ten, plant, and, fight, fast, last, excited, inspired. After, a student must record their voice using the link. After, a student must compare the recording with the correct pronunciation using the link. The topic for the class is elision. What is elision? Elision is omitting one or more sounds from a word or phrase. It's used in the formal or casual speech. Example: script, friendship, dialects. In this example, we can see how the letter T, D, and T are eliminated of the pronunciation. Scripts, friendship, dialects. Here we have more examples for you. Fifth, clothes, dusting, ask, handbag, don't know. Here we have the writing in symbols in the IPA alphabet. If you want to learn more about this topic, you can to see the next video.
Hello, I'm Sammy and I like to practice American English. This is part 1 of the Connected Speech series. Today, we'll discuss elision. What is elision? It means omitting one or more sounds in a word or phrase to make it easier to pronounce. This is used in casual, informal speech. Elision can help your American English sound smoother and more natural. American English has a few patterns of elision in casual speech, but today we will practice T and D elision. What do you notice about the pronunciation of the underlined words in this sentence? Formal speech. The handsome movie star acts in a film about friendship between a father and son. Now, in casual speech. The handsome movie star acts in a film about friendship between a father and son. Whenever T or D comes between two consonants at the end of a syllable, it gets elided, which means that it doesn't get pronounced. For example, instead of scripts, we say scripts. And instead of friendship, we say friendship. Let's practice pronouncing the following words using T and D elision. Scripts, acts, facts, dialects, attempts, postcard, handsome, friendship, highlands. T and D elision can even happen between two words. For example, you pronounce last chance instead of last chance because the T does not get pronounced. Other examples are father and son, handbag, most popular, left turn, first three, next day. Let's practice. Read the following sentences and use T and D elision for the underlined sounds.
You can do with me. He paints landscapes. For the past 3 years, he's worked hard and become successful. Now, his most famous painting is printed on postcards.
I started a friendship with a handsome artist. He paints landscapes. For the past 3 years, he's worked hard and become successful. Now, his most famous painting is printed on postcards. Next time, we'll have part 2 of the Connected Speech series.
Now, you can know the difference between the pronouns with and without elision. In this video, we can see the elision with letter T and D because are the most popular examples in the American English. You could practice, and so you have to do the evaluation activity. This activity is very easy. So, you have to read the following text and find 5 or more paths where you can use elision in the pronunciation. You have to take account that the text is written in formal language. For example, I had a great weekend. On Friday afternoon, I finished work at 5 p.m. I went home and took a shower. Then I went to see a couple of my friends at a bar downtown. We had a couple of beers and a nice talk. If you weren't attentive to the reading, you can watch 2 examples of elision in the words friends and the word finish. In the word friends, I don't pronounce the letter D. So you have to read all the text and underline the words with elision, and after you take the screenshot and to send to me. Okay, good luck, and remember, practice makes perfect. See you soon in the next class. Bye.